Hi there, my name is Dave Johnson and I'm a Master Certified e-Business Consultant. So please subscribe to my channel for any future notifications of my next videos coming out. So folks, I've got something extra special for you today if you're interested on advertising on your smartphones. Okay, you didn't realise that was possible, then I can show you how with this massive information pack. Okay, so how to advertise on your smartphones. That's what we're going to be discussing today, and with this I'm also going to include one of my special bonuses, which will be 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a website of your choice. Okay, that can include a blog or a YouTube video or anything like that, an affiliate link of your choice. These will be drip fed over the course of about a year. You don't get them all at once. Okay, so that's my mega bonus for taking up on this smartphones manual. Okay, so to expand your customer base and increase your profitability with the newest strategies in advertising, you can learn how to reach the 95 million mobile phone users who pay for internet access and reported response rates as great as 15%. That's what they're saying in the manual. Stay ahead of your competition and discover from the pros and the valuable knowledge on how to maximize your ROIs for mobile advertising. All the evidence supports the promise and that mobile phone advertising will continue to grow at a phenomenal rate in the coming years. Yahoo even report that it expects more users will access the internet via the mobile phones than via business PCs. Okay, the time to jump on board into the mobile phone advertising is now, my friends. So you can begin to reap the benefits and continue to do so for many years to come. So to claim this manual, it's absolutely jam-packed full of knowledge. It's an absolute awesome offer on its own, but like I said, I'm also going to offer you 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a website of your choice as well. So to get both of these packages, just click that link below this video. Okay, it's as simple as that. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, to receive any future notifications. I'm always giving away free offers on here, so you don't need any credit card or any PayPal for this one either, guys. Okay, so stay safe for now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that link below to get your advertising on smartphones and your 50,000 free guaranteed visitors.